Good morning everyone, welcome to this new shaving review. Guys, thank you very much for your patience. I know I took an extra long break, but due to the move, getting installed, that's all it is. Like I said, I move, you can see different decor. I'm actually shaving in the kitchen right now. The bathroom doesn't work very well for me, the light is not that great. I'll put up a picture at some point to show you. Today's review, it's a new soap, a new company that I discovered this summer. Soap is Old San Juan by the company Third Pass Shaving Co. Third Pass Shaving Co., like I said, it's a brand new company, came out this summer from the States, Richboro, Pennsylvania. I discovered them on Instagram. They had a very, I can't say aggressive, but they're really present on Instagram. Really nice picture. Their soap interested me, then I tried them. That's what we're gonna review today. The razor I will use, Mercure 38C, with the blade. It's gonna be a Bosch cod, and the brush. Since I move, I'm kind of limited also in the material I have. The brush will be my Spifo, okay, Best Badger. Now, for this soap, okay, to load the soap, I really wring it, okay. I want a brush that's damp but not wet. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go wet the face and load the brush, and I'll be back for the first pass. Okay, give me a second. Okay, the soap. That's what the soap looks like. It's on the hard side. It's not okay. It's not super hard, but it's on a little bit on the hard side. It's a tallow-based soap that contains clay. There we go. Okay, contains clay. The full list of ingredients will be between the first and the second pass. Okay. The scent on it, Old San Juan. The notes are cigar tobacco, caramel, and vanilla. To my nose, cigar tobacco is there, vanilla is there, but there's also a powdery component to it. It is a very nice scent. It's a little hard at this point, okay, to make a difference between the sweetness of the caramel, vanilla, and the powdery part of it. It's a really nice, really nice scent. There you go, the brush. Okay, 20-second load. It needs to be loaded. Okay, you need to load that dry. If you load it too wet, it's gonna create tons of foamy lather that is not really usable. Okay, we're gonna go first application right there on the face. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to it. The scent strength on that, it's not super fragrant. It's probably a 5. Which might be okay because some of the tobacco aroma are a little hard on the skin. This one absolutely no problem. Okay, hydrate a little bit more. Not too much though, okay? The soap The soap is not really thirsty. It's gonna make a nice lather without too much water. Okay, it's pretty thick. It's pretty rich. There you go. And we're gonna go for the first pass with the grain, with the razor. The fragrance, like I said, okay, it's not really strong. It's not super strong. But if you don't use an aftershave, the scent will remain with you for a while. Although it's not super strong, it sticks very well. Residual slickness, it's good, okay? It's a brand new artisan. It's a good slickness while the soap is there is absolutely no issues, no problem. The residual slickness is probably, it's not a top tier soap, okay? You have to be aware of that. It's not in the league of Barrister and Man. But it offers good glide. What I like from it, it's really the protection. It offers the cushioness of the soap. I've been using the soap now almost exclusively for the last 3 weeks. I really like that scent. The scent is it's a tobacco, but just not tobacco. It's super nice. Anyway, first pass is done. I'm quite pleased. Residual sickness, there's some behind, okay? It's not, like I said, okay, it's not a top tier soap. It's a mid-range soap. It performs very well. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go do the second pass off camera, and I will come back for the third pass. Okay? Give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, second pass is done. It's really nice. I just wet my face and it's super slick. Okay, when you wet your face, it's super slick. I've noticed that normally soaps that contain clay, that will happen. Okay, that's where really the lubrication happen when the clay gets wet. Right now, I probably could do just regarding the glide. I probably could do my third pass just with a wet face. Okay, third application. Down below in the comments, I'm gonna put the link to their website. I'm gonna put their Instagram. Go check them out. For a brand new artisan, you see that they did put a lot of effort in their marketing. Pictures are beautiful. The soap itself it's a good soap. It works super well. It's well priced. 4 ounces tub for I think $16, but they do have discounts quite often. Go check it out. There might be something that will interest you there. They're offering. There we go. Okay. third pass, it's a nice ladder. It's pretty thick. Okay, third pass against the grain. I hope you guys had a good summer. I've noticed that we lost a few YouTubers in the summer. It's kind of sad. It's a really nice shave. The combo wash cod with the 38C. Okay, I can't complain about that. There we go. And that completes the shave. A really close shave. I had absolutely no problem with the soap. Okay, good glide, good cushioning. Okay, I like cushioning. The scent on that I really love. It's a great tobacco scent. It's not your typical tobacco scent because of the caramel, the vanilla in it, and the undertone that are a little bit powdery. I'm gonna go rinse the face, and I'll come back for the conclusion. Okay, give me a second. The face is rinsed. Okay, super nice. Skin's very soft. That's what I like from the soap. The post shave is really good. It doesn't dry out my face. Like I said, the scent will remain for a while with me. Not super strong, but once in a while you're gonna sit there and you, oh, there's a whiff. I come a few hours after it's nice. The aftershave I'm gonna use today, I got nothing that matches this type of scent, but I'm gonna use Clubman Special Reserve. I like it. Okay, it's one of my. It's nice. It's strong. Okay, like any of the Clubman products, very strong. It stays on for a while. There we go. Excellent stuff. I hope you guys liked the shave today. Again, the soap I use, Third Pass Shaving Co. Okay, the soap, Old San Juan. Really nice soap. It's my summer discovery of my summer. I'm quite pleased with it. I like the scent. Really nice soap. The razor, Merkur 38C with the blade was a wash cod. Wash cod was a second use, and the brush. Okay, it's not clean. Spifo, dark ruby. You see the amount of lather that's left. That was a 20 seconds load, and it was dry. Okay, that was a dry load. This soap, okay, there's tons of it. You're gonna load your brush, absolutely no problem with that. With this, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are gonna have a great week. Really good shaves this week, and I hope to see you next week, okay, for a new shaving review. With this, have a great week, and see you next time. Bye.